Hello, viewers from all over the world. Welcome to another video. Okay, so this time I'm going to introduce you all kind of fish cooked in the traditional Malay cooking. Okay, first of all, this is what we call it grilled fish. In order to prepare it, they place some spice on the fish and then wrap it in the aluminum foil and grill. Okay, that's one kind of cooking. Okay, another kind of cooking is well, there are many kind of cooking using fish. Okay, so this is catfish deep fried. This one is kembung, famous sweet flesh, but grilled without spice. Okay, the red one is tilapia, fried. No, I think it's grilled with spice. And the young girl, the young Malay girl, is serving the customer. And the customer have a lot of choices to choose from. Okay, so that's all for today.